Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the third lesson, that is about rain. Where does this actually rain come from? Do we have any idea about rain? Similarly, you can observe we often don't get the rain only during rainy season or when it is very cloudy. If it is not cloudy also, but still we get the rain. So how it is possible? Rain is also a similar phenomenon when it is compared to the sunlight, right? It's like a air, sunlight, which is natural. So rain is also a natural phenomenon. Okay. So let us learn today in this lesson from where do we get rain. First of all, rain is like a water. So water is of three types of forms, which you have learned in your 4th, 5th classes. Solids, liquids and gaseous form, remember? Yes. Now, what is my solid form? Solid form is water. Everyone will have refrigerators at home. Yes. In the freezers, in a tray, you will keep the water and put it in the freezer. So it will be changed into what after some time? That is ice cubes, right? A small ice cubes will be formed through the water. This is called your solid form of water, right? That is ice cubes. Now these ice cubes, when it is heated, again it will change into water. Yes or not? So this is your liquid state. See the process here how it is taking place. If I eat this ice cubes, I will get water. Again, if I freeze this in the freezer, I will get ice cube. So the formation is taking place here itself. Now again, what is my gaseous? When water is heated, yes or not? When water heated means normal heat. It's not normal heat. It's boiling. When you boil water, there is some like gases which is formed out of it. Please put the lid. When you remove the lid, there is a smoke-like structure which is coming out. You can see here. This ice is heated. Then you get this vapor on the top of this. You get the vapor, right? So this is what it is. Vapor, that is a gaseous form is coming out. So till here we will first read this. Okay. Rain is a common phenomenon like air and sunlight in our daily life. We generally get more rains in rainy season. Our general observation is that if the sky is cloudy, then there is a possibility of rain. But clouds do not lead to rains every time. Sometimes we witness sudden rains. So, why do clouds cause rains? What is the relation between a rain and a solid clouds? Why not all clouds cause the rains? Means even we get the clouds. Sometimes old people what they say, by seeing the cloudiness, they'll tell it's raining. If there is no cloud, still it rains. So how it is possible? If there is a cloud, it rains. If there is no cloud, it's like a darkish color, then also it rains. So how it is possible? So first of all, we should know what are the types of water. Means what are the forms of water we have. That is a solid form, liquid and gaseous form. As I told you, please also see here. When solid form of water, that is ice. Now liquid. What happens if ice is kept in the air? Open air. You can keep it in the open air also. Ice cubes, if you take it out and leave it outside for some time, what it will become? It will become watery, right? That is your liquid form, right? Now when it is heated, it's boiled more and more. Then you get a gaseous which is out of this. Okay, so we have ice is turned into water. Again from water what we are getting? Water vapor. From water you are getting the water vapor. This is when it is heated, right? And this is also when it is heated. When it is cooled. When it is cooled. So there is a process from ice to water and water to water vapor. Evaporation and formation of clouds. So let us know how the clouds are formed in the sky. What happens to the water in the wet clothes when they are kept in sunlight? When we want to dry clothes quickly, we wave them about or keep them under a fan. Does the water in the wet clothes dry up only due to the sunlight or due to the other reasons? You must have seen that water on wet roads, rooftops and some other places dries up after some time. Where does this water go after drying up? If you heat water kept in a bowl by using a stove, you may notice water vapor coming from the bowl. Thus, when water is heated, it gets converted to vapor and mixes with the air. This is what happens to the water in the wet clothes. So what he is telling is, you will dry the clothes, means you will just dip the water and dry it in the sunlight. So how it is getting completely, the water is coming out from the clothes? Means any idea, means do you ever thought that how the water is coming out from the clothes? So if it is coming, it should be down somewhere, but where it is going actually? Okay, one more question. Now, on the top of you, if it rains very heavily, okay, on the top of you will have water which is left over. So, but after some time, if it is very sunny, it disappears. So, where does this actual water is going out? Where this water is going out? What he is telling is, if you heat water in a bowl by using a stove, you may notice a water vapor coming out from the bowl. Yes or not? If you heat the water, there is a vapor which is coming out. Then it is converted into the vapor and mixes with the air. So the vapor which is coming out from the bowl, it is mixing out with the air itself. So now water is changed into water vapor. So this water changing into water vapor, we call it as evaporation. What we call it as, children? Evaporation. Means water into water vapor. The water is converted into the water vapor. Then we call it as evaporation. Next, if water is gently heated, it will become warm. Some vapor is produced. If it is heated more, it starts boiling. If we heat further, it evaporates and converts into the water vapor. We know that amount of heat absorbed by water affects its evaporation. If water is heated more, it will evaporate very fast. Means how much water is heated, that much water is evaporating that much fastly. So you might have observed evaporation in many situations in day-to-day life. Discuss them with your friends and prepare a list. Evaporation is a natural process which takes place on Earth. Water evaporates continuously from the surfaces of water bodies like seas, oceans, rivers, ponds, etc. and changes into water vapor due to the heat supplied by the sun. So what he is telling is, the water continuously gets evaporated. Why? Because there is a lot of sunshine which is falling on the water. So from where it is falling? From the sun. So then it is falling on the seas, oceans, rivers and all. It will evaporate that water. It is evaporating its water. Where does this water go? The water vapor formed due to the evaporation becomes a part of air and continuously can usually be seen. The water vapor which enters into the air through the process of evaporation forms the clouds in the sky. So what he is telling, this is sun. Okay? Now, what the sun is doing? This is my lake. Lake or pond. Lake. See. So, this is getting evaporated. Which is getting evaporated by whom? By sun. Okay? After evaporation, it forms, after evaporation, the water vapor formed due to evaporation. Water will do? It becomes a part of air. It is mixing with air. Okay? It is mixing with air and it cannot be seen. So after that, what it is doing? It is forming the clouds. What is forming, children? Clouds. So now you get to know how the clouds are formed. So the water which is evaporated from the seas, oceans and lakes gets evaporated and mixes in the air, and it is usually seen, and after that some time it will form a cloud-like structure. Through that you will get the rain. Okay. So what does a cloud? How are clouds formed? Now you understood what do you mean by clouds and how the clouds are formed. Cloud means what? Through which you get the rain. So how would this formed? The water which is present in the lake is getting evaporated by the sun, and through that it mixes with the air, and through that it makes a cloud-like structure called as clouds. Through that you will get the rain. So in this class we have learned how what are the forms of water, a solid, liquid, gaseous form. How is a solid form is converted into liquid. Again, a liquid also is converted into the gaseous form. And how, what do you mean by evaporation process, and how are clouds formed, and what are the clouds called as. The next lesson we will learn some more important topics in this lesson.